Welcome aboard the Carnival Adventure. Today we're going to give you an exclusive inside of one of the ship's most luxurious accommodations, the Byron Beach Grand Suite.
Cruise Crate fam, let's sail away. Everywhere we wanna play. On the seas we roam so free.
Located on deck 15, the suite area instantly sets itself apart. The decor here is distinctly more refined. Elegant lighting, premium finishes, and a quieter, more private atmosphere. As we step into the suite, the first thing you'll notice is the beautifully tiled entryway, a subtle but luxurious touch that immediately elevates the space. On your right, there's a marble-topped desk, perfect for staying organised or catching up on a little work. There are a couple of power outlets conveniently placed here as well, more on that later. Just beyond, you'll find a stylish seating area, complete with a plush sofa and a flat-screen TV. It's a cosy spot to unwind, enjoy a movie, or simply relax after a day of excursions. The bedroom area features two twin beds, which can be configured into a king-size layout. There is another television here for convenience, allowing you to enjoy entertainment from bed. Now let's step into the bathroom. It's generously sized and beautifully tiled. The highlight, a full spa-style bathtub along with a separate walk-in shower, ideal for both quick rinses and indulgent soaks. You'll also find a well-lit vanity and mirror for your daily routine. This bathroom also has a second entrance that leads directly back into the seating area, creating a convenient flow through the suite. And just a quick note, there are curtains that separate the bedroom from the living area. While they won't completely block out the sound, they do offer a bit of added privacy, so whether you're getting changed or looking for a quiet moment to yourself, it's a thoughtful touch. Also in the bedroom, there is a built-in desk area tucked into the corner. It features 3 large mirrors, ample drawer space, and is perfect for makeup, journaling, or organising your day. Storage is no issue here. There are multiple cupboards and drawers, a safe for your valuables, and that hits the door handle, so you do need to open up the door for your walk-in wardrobe. Inside, you'll find plenty of hanging space and complimentary robes for suite guests. In addition to the hanging space, there is plenty of drawers here for you to store all of your clothes. Now let's step outside. The private balcony is truly a highlight of the suite. You'll find 2 large lounge chairs, perfect for sunbathing or reading, plus a small table between them for your morning coffee or evening cocktails. And for those who enjoy dining al fresco, there is a second seating area with 4 chairs and a table, ideal for a private breakfast or a sunset dinner. PowerPoints. So we can see here we've got 2 US, we've got 2 Australian. Don't know whether there's any bedsides. That's just a lamp. 2 drawers. There is 2 US PowerPoints over here at the desk. And there's some light switch behind there and there. That's it.